Hey kindergarten, so we are making Dreamcatchers this week, and Dreamcatchers can be made a lot of different ways. We are going to be using materials that you find around your house, so all of ours are going to look different, but as long as you follow the basic steps for how to make it, it should turn out awesome. So I'm going to go look for my materials and I'll be right back and we will make a Dreamcatcher. So I've cut out a circle from a piece of cardboard. You might want your parents to help you with that if you're going to use cardboard, but try to find something circular that you can use for your hoop. And I also have some string here, and I have a bunch of markers. So I'm going to get started Next, you are going to take your string or your ribbon, tie it onto your hoop, and wrap it around as many times as you would like. And your last step will be to tie on anything you want to hang from your Dreamcatcher. I'm going to tie on some yarn and add some pom-poms to my Dreamcatcher, but this could be anything like feathers or beads or even leaves from outside.